In this lecture, I will show you how you edit your text in your slider image. Okay, once we are at the dashboard, I'm gonna navigate to Customize, and I will wait and wait. Okay, once I'm there, I'm gonna click on Slideshow, and I'm gonna click on the first slide that we just created. Here stays Woman Collection. I'm gonna change that to Men Collection, and you see that it's changing soon. So by subheading, you will enter your title. So I'm gonna call it Sale All 50 Off. Let me think. I'm gonna call it Sale 50 off, 50% off. I go back and I go to the second image, and I have here Woman Collection 2018, and I will left that to what it is. And here, right over here, you can select your subheading. I'm gonna also set this value, sale 50% off. And you can link it to a collection right here under this, here, right over there. You can link it to a collection of products. So I'm gonna save, and I'm gonna view the site. I'm gonna remove this and my URL, and I'll wait. And wait. Okay, that's great. Now there is text in the slider. So text in your slide.